Hi guys, it's Erica, and right now I'm outside of Walmart so I can show you guys 5 easy and relatively cheap plants that you can buy to start your plant collection. Sometimes there's not nurseries nearby, and even so, there are still some plants that you can buy at a big box store that are cheaper than ones that you would find in a nursery anyway. So yeah, let's go see what they have at Walmart. Okay, so I'm here at Walmart, and one thing to note is that they do not really take care of their plants. They kind of overwater. But I found the #1 plant that you want to get. This is a snake plant, and this one is $3.84. See, it has some new growth coming in. It's probably overwatered, so you kind of want to be careful about that. And then the #2 plant here is a golden pothos, and this one is $2.94. I really like this one because you can see it grow compared to the snake plant. And that's all that I see right now. They also have more golden pothos, but for some reason these are $3.84. Really wet too. Okay, and then here you have a bigger snake plant. This one's $7, so it kind of depends on what size you want for now. There's also different varieties. They're all equally as easy to take care of. And then over here we have peace lilies. These are really big. So they have a bunch of snake plants here, and this is the smallest one they had, which is $14.98, which is kind of a lot. They're all $14.98. #1 easy to care for plant though, so it might be worth it. And then I also saw here the ZZ plant, which I would say is the second easiest plant to care for. It literally has a little paper here that says tough as nails. These ones are $14.98 also. I think all of them here are $14.98. But I haven't seen one of these at Walmart. If you do though, it might be smaller and cheaper. And then over here, there's a bunch of golden pothos. Oh, there's also a marble queen. It's also a pothos, so it's also easy taken care of. This one doesn't have a price though. So these hanging pothos are $8.98. They're kind of big. There should be smaller ones. There's this one down here, $7.98. Okay, and then here are the little pothos. These are $2.98. Usually if I want to get a friend like a plant gift or something, I'll macrame a hanger and then I'll put one of these little guys inside, and they're really cute. This is actually like the first plant that I got, and it's doing really well right now. I love him. He's one of my favorites just because it's one of the first ones. Okay, and then here's the peace lily. These are a lot smaller compared to the ones at Walmart. These are in 6-inch pots. These are in 6-inch pots. None of them have any flowers, but that's okay. See, when it's wilted like this is how you know it needs to be watered. That's what's so great about peace lilies. They tell you when they want to be watered. So if you water this plant, it'll just perk right back up, like one of these again, and it'll be fine. Okay, $7.98 peace lilies, 6-inch pots. Okay, here at Home Depot, found the ZAMIIFOLIA. Let's see how much they are. It's a mystery. Okay, $12.98 for a 6-inch pot. It's a 6-inch also. Easy care. Okay, $12.98 for 6-inch at Home Depot. And then over here, a golden Pothos. This is a 6-inch for $10.98. This fallen one, a 4-inch for $3.98. And then what do we have? 6-inch hanging, $6.98. And then the fourth easiest plant I would suggest is to get, oh my gosh, this is really overwatered. This is soaking wet. Any philodendron that you can find. So this one is $19.98 for a Brazil philodendron. They're really easy to care for. They're really similar to the Pothos. Over here we have neon ones for lemon lime for $19.98. Okay, over here, these are really big peace lilies. These are $24.98 for an 8-inch. I don't think that one. I think that's a little too big. Here are some 4-inch. I think these are just jade pothos. These are super cute. I would recommend getting this one. It also has a terracotta pot, so you can repot it. It still has a nursery pot though, so you would have to repot it. That's really cute. Well, I kind of want one. Even just to give as gifts, you know? For your plant friend who's not a plant friend yet. They'll become a plant friend. Okay, we have some 6-inch peace lilies for $10.98 over here. Okay, so just to summarize, the easiest plants that you should get as a beginner in order from hardest to easiest are number 5, a peace lily, number 4, a philodendron, number 3, a pothos, number 2, a ZZ plant, and number 1, a snake plant. So I would recommend getting a 4-inch of the plant that you want. So I saw that Walmart had a bunch of those because in case it dies or something, you're not losing as much money and you won't be as sad. It shouldn't die though. It shouldn't die unless you put it in crazy conditions. So the reason that these plants are easy is because they can tolerate low light conditions, although of course they would prefer brighter light. They also need to be watered when they are dry. For the most part, I would say the last 3 plants, a peace lily, a pothos, and a philodendron, they will kind of wilt when they need water. So they make it very apparent that they need to be watered. And snake plants will get kind of wrinkly, like they need to be hydrated. Yeah, even if you just want to get one of these plants as a gift for a beginner and you're into plants yourself, like this is a great way to get your friends started into plants. I'm also going to make a bold statement and say that I think that Walmart has the cheapest plants. I've definitely seen some philodendrons at Walmart before, not today, but other days I've seen it, and yeah, usually these plants are very common and easy to find. Just find the size that you like and for a price that sounds good to you, and you're all set to become a plant parent. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments or any other houseplants you think are great for beginners, please leave it in the comments below. Yeah, please hit subscribe because I make new videos every single day. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!